Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good time wherever you are. And if you're new to this channel, this is Cubes Out. On this channel we cook delicacies without seasoning cubes because we are trying to avoid MSG that is not healthy for you. Yes, so on today's menu we have plantain pudding or plantain moi moi, whatever you can call it. And if you have never cooked this dish before, if you've never eaten this dish before, this is a great opportunity. You have to learn it. It is, very simple to prepare but very nutritious and delicious. Yeah, so let's just get into the video and make sure you watch till the very end. All right, so we have our plantains. Some of them are ripe. In fact, the way I do this is I mix unripe and ripe, so I just do them proportionally, like 4 or 5 ripe plantain, 4 or 5 unripe, so that it doesn't get over sweetened. All right, now after that, what I did was to wash them and then peel them. So I was so busy that day I couldn't prepare the meal that day. What I did, I just poured water to the level of it, I added some salt, and then sent it into the fridge. And so it was there till the next day. Now to the next day I was ready to prepare the meal, and we will start by blending this. Now I already blended some pepper that I put in the freezer, so that is why you see my blender this way. So in your blender, just throw in the already chopped. You have to reduce the sizes so that your blender can work effectively. Then I just had to throw some in and then add the veggies that I'm going to be using for this. So we have onion, and I'm going to be blending them in batches, so that's why I'm adding bits by bits. Yeah, so I added some onion, and this is shombo pepper. So I'm adding this to give me color, and then I'm adding tatashi also for color and for taste as well. Because we are doing without seasoning cubes, we use a lot of veggies and herbs, spices to get food tasting very nice. Okay, so those were what I'm just blending with, and then I just had to add some more to bring it to the level that I want it to be in the blender. And then after this, I just go straight and blend it. Okay, I'm done blending. Sorry, I blended it off the camera, so I'm done blending, and this is what I'm going to do until the whole thing in the bowl that you saw is finished. I guess you might be wondering, what was she doing blending those pepper and onion alone? In order to save my blender the stress, I decided to just blend. After the first batch, I blended all the peppers and tomatoes and all of tatashis and onion alone. All right, so, and at this point I feel it's too much, so I don't want this thing to be too hot, so I took out some portion from it. Yeah, so I'm now going to go ahead and blend the plantain alone and then add into the pot. Okay friends, having done with blending, next is to debone the protein that is going to be going into the dish. So this is just to help us have something to keep our mouth busy. So I'm just deboning and then I'm going to get it mushy. Yes guys, if you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? Please kindly give it a thumbs up so it can perform better. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly consider subscribing. You would learn a lot from this channel. This is a promise to you. Thank you. Done with that, it's time to get it a bit heated up. We are not bleaching this oil because you need the color in the dish, so you just get it a little bit hot and then throw in the mashed protein to get it, you know, a little bit fried and crispy before pouring into the mixture. So I'm just adding some mixture of blended ginger and garlic. Give it a good stir. And then I added some salt. Add salt to taste. Add some crayfish and also give it a good stir. And after like a minute or so, this is ready to go into our plantain batter. So you just add this in. I'm removing some oil that is going to be used to grease the plate for this, so it will be easy to bring it out when you're done cooking. Okay, I tasted for salt, and remember I added salt while frying the protein and the oil. So I tasted for salt and I noticed it wasn't enough, so I had to add some more salt and then give it a good stir again. So at this point I was very okay with the taste of my plantain batter. So now it is time to grease the plate with the oil that I removed earlier. That is done. You can see how beautiful the plates are looking. So it is time to pour in the batter into the plate. Done with scooping into our cooking plates. Now it's time to put it right into the pot. So I just added boiled water. You can also do with cold water from the start, but just to make it quicker for it to start steaming, I am doing this with hot water. So right into the pot, I'm going to place all of them in and then get it on the flame to start cooking. I hope you have liked this video already, guys. Thank you and God bless you for your support. Okay, so while I was done with that, I put it on the flame. I actually got 2 pots from this. It couldn't contain 1 pot, so it's been boiling for about 30 minutes. What I did was to open and then change took the ones up down and brought the ones down up, and it cooked for about 40 minutes again. And guys, this is done. Very, very delicious. Like I said, I'm not lying to you. You go and try this out and then come and give me your feedback. It was very delicious, and this is good to your health. Your unripe plantain has got a lot of iron content in it, and even the ripe one has got some healthy sugars for your body as well. So this is a meal to go to. Yeah, it's a meal to go to. You just have to give it a try, and if you like it, please do come back and give me a feedback or a review. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you've already liked this video. Now at this very juncture, I'm going to call this a day, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did enjoy this video, kindly share it to your friends, your family. You never know who you might be helping with this recipe. And on this channel, like I said, we do without seasoning cubes or sachets or powders. Thank you, and God bless you as you keep supporting this channel. Until I see you in my next episode, please stay safe and have a good day.